I was a guest in a course, a sociology course in the fall, and it was such an interactive question period. I was so impressed by how it ran. So this is something that I've been using since. When we have guests to our class, I've asked students to post questions on the discussion forums in advance of the guest's arrival, so that students are pre-engaging with who the guests are and what they could learn from these guests. And then during the actual session with the guest lecturer, students already have a question formulated, and then I'm able to go through and look at my courses while the discussion is in progress, and then suggest like, oh, you had a question on this topic, maybe now is a good time to ask it. So students will then, open their mic and begin to ask their question. So I found this one to be really useful for some of the most engaging guest lectures that I've had, whether in person or remote. So it's to me a really great technique that's not very involved. I would just start a forum with a question, give a bit more of detail as the topic, and then students' threads would come below, and you can see some examples of some of the threads that students are posting. All right, yeah, and the course lecturer who invited me to their class was Ian Van Haren, so I thought that was a really awesome one.